Hello everyone. Let's move forward to the bus section. Search your departure and arrival destinations along with the travel date. You will get sort by filters like departure, duration, arrival, fare, and seats available on the top bar. You also have the option to view offer fares. On the left side panel, you have more advanced filters for time, seats type, AC or non-AC, boarding point, dropping point, bus operator selection, and more. Find your required bus and select your seat. You'll see seat-wise pricing to give you a clear idea of the cost for each seat. Then, select your boarding and dropping points. You can also review the cancellation policy before proceeding. Once you proceed with the selected seat, fill in the traveler details, add insurance if needed, and continue to payment. After booking, you'll find your booking details in the My Bookings section. For more details, kindly refer to my bookings video of this playlist. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.